haircut? Hey! Oh! Hey! Smile na mo? First oh, so many stuff. So cute. Hey, baby! What is your name? Alika? My name is Rhea.
Rhea. Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Here, we're going to put this on you, okay?
That's Julian.
And we're going to make it small.
Hey, baby, you're so serious. Here, Alisa.
And you put that too, right? Well, we're gonna go eat it.
Happy day.
Let me show you this one and see if you want to go a little smart. Okay, that. Here, turn your head. Let's show Mama.
Okay, baby.
Here. It's
Don't
okay.
be scared. Don't be scared.
Oh, you're
Baby,
so...
no.
No. You think you want it shorter on the sides? This is a 5. He's got very fine hair, so... What do you think?
Yeah.
You like that, Lane? You're adorable.
Don't be scared, baby. Don't be scared. Hi, Julian. Look at you. Hey, baby. Lalaki na. Dali na.
Julian, bawas pogi points ka. Julian. Bawas pogi points ba? Nawala yung buhok mong mahaba eh. Bagay naman sa'yo eh. Tsaka para presko.
Gel pa yan.
Julian kalbo. Smile naman dyan. Smile, smile, smile.
Oh, ma, aking bra. Lani, mami.
Oh, yung cellphone mo. Sabi, i-ano mo na ako, loban na ako.
Julian. Santo ka na, Julian. Julian, smile naman dyan.
Smile.
Smile, smile. Wag iyak, wag iyak.
Water. Dodo. Oops.